Could you introduce yourself, just your name and the company that you're working with, if you're working for a company right now, and what does your day-to-day look like?
Okay. All right. So my name is Marina. I am a cloud engineer. So I'm currently pursuing a career in cloud, basically. I've been doing that for a couple of years.
Amazing.
I've also went back to uni to pursue a second degree in computer science, which kind of ties in with,
amazing.
with my cloud engineering. I also just passed my AWS certification, cloud practitioner certification last night. So I'm very buzzing today.
That's right.
Yeah.
That's amazing.
Yeah. So yeah, that's about me.
Amazing. So day to day, do you work with open source tools?
Well, in the obviously cloud sphere, we do work with some of them. So the reason why I came here is I wanted to kind of explore what's happening in the cloud security and how we can protect, data using open source.
So your interest is mainly in cloud security?
Yes. Yeah.
Have you used any tools related in the space yet?
Well, I have used some, and I've just been to done before with the Splunk group where there's some really, really interesting stuff going on. One of the ladies is also giving a talk later.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so I'm still in my early stages of cloud security because obviously in order to kind of explore that, you need to start, we need to start with the basics. So I've recently just started exploring it. Yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Would you consider yourself more as a user or contributor to open source tools?
User, say I haven't reached the contributor level because I'm still quite new to my tech journey, but I've only been in it for 2 years, so still a user. Yeah,
It's a long time in open source. I love open source in 2 years.
Yeah.
Do you want to move into the contributor?
I would love to. I mean, I would love to. I've met some really cool people and they're really inspiring. So yeah.
What do you think is one of the main barriers for you to move from the user to the contributor level? What are you thinking about it? What is the thing, maybe something that scares you, or that's something that irritates you, or something that you've heard other complain about, or,
I'd say because I'm a career changer, because I did a degree which is completely unrelated to IT and tech, and everyone around me seems to have been in IT for years, I started coding when they were 10, and everyone's so knowledgeable and so experienced. Yeah, and here I am, a woman, trying to code, and it's just, I think there's obviously not enough women in the sphere, and I think it's just the experience that everyone else around me has, and they've been doing that for ages. So that's one of the things, the lack of experience.
Yeah,
but that's I'm trying to make up for it.
It's a complete valid feeling.
Yeah.
A lot of times, what is needed is not people to kind of, own up to them being in a space that they have no clue about, right?
Yeah.
A lot of times we follow this methodology of fake it until you make it, right?
Yeah.
Sometimes you know about this stuff. What is about, if somebody talks about something and I'm just standing like, I don't know what you're talking about. I've never heard about it, right?
Yeah.
And they are not giving me a challenge to try to live up to it, right? But I'm giving them a challenge to actually explain this to me, right?
Yeah.
So maybe it's also the way that we are phrasing it, the way as a community that we are working with those tools.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now I like what you said about fake it till you make it, because a lot of the times you have to do that. Yeah.
Yeah, but it can also be very toxic, right? To be in that position.
I guess. Yeah.
Yeah. Does it make you feel stressed?
A lot. Oh my God. Yeah. Yeah. And meeting all these awesome people here, which are so knowledgeable, and I'm like,
you are knowledgeable on what you do. 2 years in a space is a long time.
Yeah.
Wow. Amazing. What would you say to other career changers? A message that something you would like them to know.
Okay, so I want to say that honestly, when I started, it was really, really hard. But everyone is so supportive. Everyone is amazing. I haven't met a single person who hasn't opened their arms to be like, oh my God, I'll help you. I met so many people who just wanted to help me out. If they don't know me, they just met me and they're like, let's connect. No problem. Half an hour of my time, no problem at all. So it is doable. And if you find it hard, just keep going and connect with other career changers, because it's really good to have this support community. Yeah, and share all these failures with each other. But it's definitely worth it.
Thank you so much for sharing. That was great. That was
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Awesome.